Okay guys, so meron tayong 2015 model na Montero Sport. So may differential oil leak sa rear right hand axle shaft. So nag-remove tayo ng axle. Then i-remove natin yung ating oil seal. So ito, tanggalan natin. Then ito yung ating bagong axle oil seal, ikakabit. So yung proper position nito, ganito natin i-install mga guys. Okay? So insert natin dito sa loob. Okay? We use these special tools to install the axle oil seal of our rear differential. Then this is the one. Then we will insert here. That side also we can insert. Okay. Then gamitan natin ng special tools. Axle oil seal installer. Okay. I see your Bismillah. Straight ha? Align.
Ashway.
Mapi align muskila. Align. Up. Okay. Okay. Properly installed in our differential housing. We use the special tools. Okay. Axle. We install in between the bucket. Han. Nice.
Okay. Okay.
Ani. Ayaw, abide.
Hey, wait. Wala sa ulo.
So there's no leak from the pipe of our fuel cylinder. Pading clean ha.
Nasa ulo. Ito,
Rubber
awal
oil,
feel yan. Awal.
Ayaw, rakip.
Bush.
Adjusting brake. Rear brake shoe.
خلاص كده كويس.
Okay.
لازم هواء براد. والله.
We'll add brake fluid, then we'll bleed the rear right fuel cylinder. Okay, then open the rear right fuel cylinder. كويس.
كويس. انا اركب زيت ديفرنس.
اوكي
لسه ما في ركب.
ركب. انا
خلي.
روبر.
ها؟
خلاص
خلي.
اقل ما we finish bleeding the brake system. Now the mechanic will add the gear oil of our rear differential. So the brake pedal was during depressing the brake. Okay guys, so that's the way how to replace the rear axle oil seal. We use the special tools. We use tire lever to remove the old axle oil seal. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. See you in next video tutorial guys. God bless everyone.